I'm very, very surprised by what I'm seeing right now. I didn't think I put anything in this tank that she would go for, but it looks like she went for an isopod.
All right, let's pause here for a few seconds. It's just a little side note. This is a follow-up video from the last one where I showed myself releasing several spiders or several fishing spiders after capturing them in my bedroom. This one is the one that I decided to keep along with the male that you will also see in this video. This video shows my first attempts at feeding them. Enjoy.
I had no idea she would go for it. I wanted to keep the isopods in there as the cleanup crew because there's a lot of YouTubers who actually use them as a cleanup crew for their tanks. They put them in tanks with frogs and stuff. I never thought she would go for an isopod. I thought the shell would be too hard for that. There are not a lot of spiders that go for isopods like that. Look at how pretty she is though. I was just checking up on her and I noticed she had something in her mouth. I hope she's gonna be able to eat it. Look at that. That's just my cell phone. Is she even able to break the shell? She might not be able to. I need to feed her something better. That was not food. That was not intended as food. Oh well. And then here's our male. Oh, the light is reflecting off the plastic thing. He's very pretty. I like his colors. Both of these containers are temporary. We're gonna let her eat now. I mean, if she even can eat this. I'm checking up on her again to see if she's still eating. Yep. So she managed to pierce the shell. That's so cool. I had no idea she could do that. She looks really big right now, but she's actually not that big. I'm gonna zoom out. And this is my hand next to her. I'm gonna be posting a video of me trying to handle her eventually. I promised myself if I captured another one of these, I would try to handle it. Alright, so I bought some crickets to feed the big girl and that little boy right there. Big girl is hiding behind a leaf. She's actually right there. Can't see her very well right now. But yeah, so I have a lot of crickets. So I took out another one of these tanks. Now I'm wondering, is it easier for me to put them in this tank and then put maybe 2 or 3 in here and 1 in there? I don't want too many with the guy because he's pretty much the same size. Like, he's gonna have his hands full dealing with just one, so I don't want the rest of them to harass him or anything. So I also bought myself some tongues. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, so I got them all in there. Now I need to figure out how to grab 1 or 2. It's a pretty small tank. I couldn't keep them in the bag, obviously. All right, so we're gonna try and feed this little guy first. Hopefully he's gonna jump on the occasion as soon as he sees the cricket. Okay, I ended up grabbing one by hand, so the tongues were not easy. Alright, he just went under the leaf. Crap, this might take a while. Might be able to see the girl here. Zoom's not good, but she's like right there. Oh, cricket's coming. I know that guy is probably hungry, so. He's coming. Come on, see it, please. Well, this is convenient. Maybe you could handle having 2 crickets in there. I'll try to put in you another one, just to increase the chances. Oh, there's 2. I don't even see it. He must know there's something under him. They usually detect everything, these things. If he won't go for these crickets, I don't know what he's gonna go for. We'll try to feed the girl then. Alright, so the girl is right there under that leaf. I'm gonna try and get her out of there. You good, girl? What's going on here? Yeah, okay, she's good. Were you eating? What's this thing? Looks like a millipede. Oh, she's right there. You can barely see her. There you go.